Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 4066R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H180 quick attach front end loader. Tractor has approximately 350 hours. It's a nice clean tractor. Again, it does come with the H180 quick attach front loader. Has the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. A little bit higher capacity bucket up front here than a lot of these tractors have, so you got a nice big bucket there. It does have the front grill guard on it. Paint's in nice shape, as you can see. It does have the work lights in front and back of the cab. It does have the ag tires on it. Doors on both sides of the cab. Rear wiper back here as well. Got your 3-point hitch with the stabilizer bars, drawbar on top, linker all with the machine. Also has the Hitch Assist back here. The knob here raises and lowers the 3-point arms, and then the buttons here will physically move the tractor forward and back while standing on the ground back here. So these two, combination of these two items here really drastically improve the attaching experience. So hooking an attachment that is heavy, that really helps with those two features there. So very nice option on these little 4R series tractors. 4066R, this is the 66 horsepower version of the 4R series, and the R series is the premium grade tractor within the 4 series lineup. Cab inside here does have the air ride seat for the operator, 3 ranges in the transmission, twin pedals down below there for your forward reverse. It does have the full e-hydro transmission, and then all your controls for the hydrostat, load match, speed match, motion match, cruise control, everything is located there on that keypad. Up top you have climate controls and radio. You can see some discoloration on the bottom there where the rubber meets that upholstery there, so a little bit of discoloration there, but overall very nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.